Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you exactly create charts in Excel. First, you need to open Microsoft Excel on your PC or laptop. Write the data you want to create the chart. Select Insert from the menu bar. There are many types of charts you can create. Column, line, pie, bar, and area charts are available in the Insert menu. Select any type of chart like a pie chart. Click on Pie and select the type of pie chart from the drop-down menu. You will see the pie chart on the sheet. Also, you can format the pie chart and change the color of the chart. Click on the Change Chart Type on the most left side of the toolbar. A dialog box will open from which you can select the chart type like column chart. Your column chart will be created and click OK. You can also move the chart by dragging to the new place on the sheet. By pointing the arrow on the chart, you can see data of the column like sales and profit. Thank you everyone for watching. I hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel and leave a comment down below. See you in the next one.